So in last video we did some numericals on speed. There the question was very straight away. You were given the numbers, you just had to put it and you were getting the answer. But every time you are not going to get these straight questions. Okay, so just look at this example and you'll know how the question can come. Okay, so a girl takes 20 minutes. 20 minutes means this is the time to reach her school on cycle. Her school is 4 kilometers, so this is distance away from her house. Calculate the speed with which she cycles in kilometer per hour. Okay, so we need to calculate the speed in kilometer per hour. They have specified it. Okay, so fine, we have kilometer, right? The distance is in kilometer, no problem, but they're asking it in hour, but they've given it in minute. So that means we have to convert the time. We have to convert time from minutes to hours. Okay, now how do we do that? Okay, let us see some rules for the conversion. These are very basic rules. Okay, you know this, that 1 hour has 60 minutes and 1 minute has 60 seconds. Okay, this is for time. Sometimes it might come that where you might need to convert distance also. They might give it in meter and ask you in kilometer, or otherwise, they might give you in kilometer, ask you in meter. So you should know that conversion also. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Usually the question does not come with centimeter, but you should know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So this is with distance. Okay, now come back to the question. Okay, so now let us write the formula. Okay, so speed, this is your answer. We are starting with the answer over here. Okay, so speed is equal to distance upon time. Fine. Now according to the question, distance is 4 kilometer. We have no problem with distance. We are given with time. The time is in 20 minutes. The problem is here. Okay, so let us convert. Okay, conversion. Okay, so we know that 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour, right? 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. यहाँ पे 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes लिखा है, मैंने उसको उल्टा कर दिया, मिनट इधर कर दिए, ठीक है, लेफ्ट साइड, और आर को राइट साइड कर दिया, ठीक है. सो इफ 60 मिनट इज इक्वल टू 1 hour, ठीक है, तो 1 मिनट क्या हो गया, 1/60 आवर, ठीक है, डिवाइड में आ गया ना, 60 उधर चला गया डिवाइड में. ओके, अब मेरे को 1 मिनट की वैल्यू नहीं चाहिए, मुझे कितने मिनट की वैल्यू चाहिए, मुझे 20 मिनट्स की वैल्यू चाहिए. सो व्हाट आई विल डू इज़ आई विल मल्टीप्लाई 20 बोथ साइड. ओके, so 20 into 1 minute and 20 into 1/60 hour. So 20 into 1 minute is nothing but 20 minute, and 20 into 1/60, you just cut this, you get 1/3, right? So 1/3 hour. So 20 minute can be replaced by 1/3 hour. Okay, now you put this value, and we have this value. So we will put these two values in this formula. So again, speed is equal to, the distance upon time, okay, so distance is 4 kilometer and time is 1/3 hour, or you can just write h okay. So because 1 by 3 isn't divide, so this 3 will go here. Okay, so 4 into 3 kilometer per hour will be your speed, which is equal to 12 kilometer per hour. Okay, so this is how you get your answer. I have another example for you. A bus is traveling at a speed of 60 km per hour. They've already given you the speed. How much distance will it cover in 150 minutes? Okay, so you need to find the distance. The problem is that you are given the time in minutes, but with speed it is given in hours. So we need to just change this. Okay, so first we need to convert this time, which is in minute. We have to convert this into hour. So let us see how we can convert this conversion. Whenever you read the question, just make sure that time and distance, they are in same unit, right? If time is given somewhere in hour, so with speed also it should be per hour. If it is given in minute or if it is given in second, the same unit should be there with second. Okay, so you just have to check while reading the question that all the units are same. Okay, if it is minute, it should be minute everywhere. If it is hour, it should be hour everywhere. If it is meter, it should be meter. It should not be kilometer. Okay, if that is the case, then you need to convert this. Okay, so I can make out that it is minute, the time here it is in minute, here it is in hour, so I have to convert this 150 minute into hour. Okay, so again 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 hour. Now convert both sides with 150. Multiply both the sides with 150. 150 into 1 by 60 hour. Okay, so this becomes 150 minutes. Here you can just cut 0 and you can cut this also. So you get 2, you get 5, so you get 5 by 2 hour. Okay, so fine, now we have the time in hour. Okay, now you write the formula. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Okay, we are already given the speed. We have the speed, we have the time, we need to find the distance. So we need to isolate the distance. For that, the time should go here, so it becomes speed into time equal to distance. But we have to find distance, so just replace them, interchange the whole quantity. Okay, speed and time will go this side, both of them will go to the right side, and distance will go to the left side. So distance is equal to speed into time. Okay, so now from here we can see that the speed is how much? 60 km per hour. So just put it as 60 km per hour, and the time we have taken as 5 by 2 hour. Write it here, 5 by 2 hour. Okay, I can write this kilometer per hour as this also, right? 60 kilometer divided by hour. Okay, now so r gets cancelled with r, 2 gets cancelled with 60, so you get 30. So you are left with 30 into 5 into kilometer. So this is what? 150 and kilometer. So the distance is 150 kilometer.